In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified on iOS. First thing, go to Settings and then go to Wi-Fi. Then head back to Screen Time and then click on Content Privacy Restrictions. And then go to Content Restrictions and then select Allowed Apps. Enter your passcode, find the Safari app and then allow the app for the content apps. And then head back and then click on Installing Apps and then click on Allow. And then turn off Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then go to General, scroll down to find Transfer or Reset Phone. Click on Reset and then click on Reset Location Privacy. Enter your passcode and then hit on Reset Settings. And now open Safari and download any app you want. And that's it. Gang, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.